Thank you for choosing the Gazebo Mosquito Mesh Kit. Before you begin attaching the parts to your gazebo, take a few minutes to sort your inventory. Lay all the parts out on the ground or another flat surface. You'll note that most of the components are made of a flexible mesh material, so there are no wood parts to assemble. Make sure your mesh kit includes all the parts listed on the inventory page in your manual. Remember, we are always here to help. Contact us if you find a part that is damaged or missing. Take a moment to write down the carton ID stamp found on the mesh kit box. Record the first 5 digits of the ID stamp and the letter at the end on the stop page in your manual. Starting on the inside of your gazebo, find and mark the center point on one of the beam assemblies. Place the curtain track specified in your manual at the center mark, so it sits tight to the top of the gusset and 2 inches up from the bottom of the beam. Attach the curtain track with pan screws. Now, slide the number of curtain hangers outlined in your manual into the channel on the curtain track. The hangers won't turn if they are installed incorrectly. In the correct position, the hangers will slide and turn easily. Next, install a second curtain track so that the end is tight to the first one and sits tight to the top of the gusset. Attach with pan screws, then check to make sure the curtain hangers can slide freely between the 2 tracks. Repeat these steps to install all other curtain tracks on the remaining 3 sides of your gazebo. Place a curtain track gusset over the point where the 2 curtain tracks meet. Attach it using pan screws, then check to make sure the curtain hangers still move freely between the tracks. Now repeat to install 3 more curtain track gussets on the other beam assemblies. If you find there is a gap between the end of the curtain track and the post assembly, insert a wood screw into the beam assembly as needed. This prevents the curtain hangers from falling off the track. Get a helper to hold a tie-back ribbon in place on the inside corner of a post, about halfway up. Attach it with 2 pan screws. Repeat to install tie-back ribbons on all 4 posts. Begin by unfolding the insect panels completely on a flat surface. You can make installation easier and keep the bottom of the insect panels off the ground by taking a few moments to roll up the bottom edge and attach clips to hold it in place. With a ladder and a helper, lift the top of the insect panel into place under a curtain track. Begin at one end and connect the number of button snaps as outlined in your manual to the curtain hangers on one wall of your gazebo. Connect the remaining button snaps to the curtain hangers on the adjacent wall. Repeat these steps to install the remaining 3 insect panels. When you're done, attach the insect panels together using the zipper on each side. It zips from the top. Note the position of a snap at the top of the insect screen against the post assembly. Fold the top of the screen over and insert a male snap at the same spot against the post. Now, connect the button snap on the screen to the male snap. Add a male snap in the same manner on the other side of the post, then repeat to attach the other insect panels to the post assemblies. If you are planning on installing your insect panels on your gazebo permanently, it's a good idea to secure them on the top and bottom. Hold the insect panel against the bottom of a post and insert a pan screw to the edge of the fabric. Make sure it is in the center of the post. Repeat to install another pan screw on the other side of the post. Then, install pan screws at the top of the post in this location beside each button snap. Now repeat these steps to secure the insect panels to all 4 posts.